Today we are going to convert a couple of raised beds from a traditional drip irrigation system into a Blumat system, and we'll see how easy and simple it can be. The system we're starting with is a simple drip irrigation system that operates off a timer and goes through this black poly tube line that runs itself all the way back behind this fence and into these garden beds. And from here it has a series of drip emitters, and what we're going to do is reduce the pressure on this line so that we can keep it constant, and then remove these drip emitters and put Blumats in place. So our first step will be to replace the timer with a pressure reducer. To do that, we have this little assembly here you can get off sustainablevillage.com. It is a pressure reducer to permalock fitting. So we'll just simply unscrew this, disconnect this from the line, put the pressure reducer in, and then reconnect the black poly line to the permalock fitting. As you can see, these are very easy to do. These permalock fittings just tighten up. So you slide the poly line over this barb and then tighten the collar. Good. Now we've reduced the overall pressure of this 1/2-inch poly line to 15 psi, which is the region that we want to stay in when we're working with Blumats. What we'll do is remove the existing drip emitters, and to do that, the easiest way is a pair of pliers works great. You can pop these out, take a goof plug. You want to use the fat end of the goof plug. Take your pliers, grab this, and insert that right in the hole. We'll go through and take out all the unnecessary ones. With this, we're going to put a manifold bed in, so we'll only need 2 water outputs.